Hello friends, I am NK Mukherjee. Welcome to the Skilltop Advanced Excel classroom. Many of you wanted to know about SUMIF and SUMIF S function at my Skilltop Facebook page. Actually, SUMIF S is the advanced version of SUMIF function. So, at first in this class, I am going to teach you about SUMIF function. Now, we can bring this function by writing on the page like this. Like this, or by clicking on formulas, then insert function and SUMIF. Enter, double click, OK. Whatever we do, we can see the three sections of the function. The first part is the range. It is a list of content made by each row value. The values can be numeric, character, or any other type. The second part is the criteria. It is a condition that every row value of the range has to be matched with the condition or the criteria. By this checking, the function will pick one after another value from the third part of the function called sum range to do a sum total of the values, and ultimately it will give you a sum total answer. Sometimes we have no need to get the sum total answer, but using this function we can get what we need from a complex situation. So this was the method. Now we will understand more by examples. Here is a table of data about IT Plaza's sale details. This is an example, but thousands of records can stay in a table. Now, if we have a task to result out the total sale value of index mouse, what we have to do is call the function or write down this, whatever you say. First, we have to mention the range part. This is the range, comma. Now the criteria. What is the criteria here? The index mouse is the criteria. So within the double quotation mark, write down index mouse, comma. Now we have to mention the sum range part. This is the answer. You can check this value. One is here and another is here. If you total them, you can get this value. Okay. But in the case of Epson printer, including LaserJet and inkjet, then we must have to put an asterisk sign after the main criteria Epson printer. We have to mention the range, comma, the criteria is Epson printer, but here is no Epson printer alone. Epson printer, so we have to put an asterisk sign to mention this extra word. Quotation complete, comma, and the sum range part. Okay, you can check this value. One is and another is. If you total them, you can get this value. Now, result out the total sale value of all kinds printers following the present situation. We have to put one asterisk sign before the main criteria printer and one after it, like this. Range criteria, but here is no printer alone, so we have to put one asterisk sign before it and another after it, double quotation, comma, and some range part. Now this is the answer. You can check this value. It is a total of this and this. It is a total. Okay. We can also result out of a series of requirements in a series of rows by this function. No need to write every time into the criteria field if we make a series like this. Like this. Or we can skip the asterisk sign if we don't need it. But here is a situation to add this sign. So friends, now we have to get the result. The range, comma. Now just click on the cell like this, comma, and some range. If this total will match with this total, then our calculation is right. Okay, so if we drag this, the result. Okay, so friends, this is the use of SUMIF function. We can solve this type of problem by this function. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and want to get next videos automatically, to learn a lot of superb techniques and to learn the use of other most demanded software and hardware, subscribe my channel. Have a good day.